Next, we will move on to one more concept called logical operators using if conditions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
logical operators. We already know what are all logical operators, right? Can you create a new class? You create a new class. Example ex logical if. Ex logical if. That means we are going to make use of logical operators in the if condition. So do you remember the logical operators whatever we have written? What are all the three logical operators we know?
Logical and logical or logical not.
Very good. Can you write it somewhere on the notepad? Logical and, that means two ampersands. Logical and, A and D, capital letters A and D, two ampersand symbols, that is and, right? You don't need to write logical again, okay? And two ampersand symbols, or, next one, pipe symbols, two pipe symbols, not equal to, that is a reverse, right? Reverse of true, that means exclamation, exclamation symbol, right? So now we are going to see how we are going to make use of if condition with this. So I hope you remember when we say logical and, that means when you have two statements, when both the statements are true, then only it is true, correct?
Yes, sir.
What about or?
If one statement is correct, other one will be
So
false or
you need
wrong.
to mm, you need to say that at least one condition must be true, okay? At least, at least out of two, at least one is true, then it is true. So exclamation means reverse of a condition, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you declare three variables. Go and write three variables in your example: int x, int y, int z. Declare three numbers. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you one condition. Now you tell me what is the output. Okay. If within the brackets you are going to write the condition y greater than x. If within the brackets y greater than x, double ampersand, z greater than y, z greater than y. Flower bracket start, and then system.out.println, both the conditions are true, correct? Both the conditions are true. Both the conditions are true. Then only it will get executed, right? Both the
Yes,
conditions
sir.
are true. Else system.out.println, both the conditions, one of the condition, you can write your own statement, right? uh, both the conditions are not true. Both the conditions, both the conditions slash one of them, one of them may be, may not be true. Okay, may not be true, not maybe. If one of them is not true also, then entire statement is false, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now if you see y greater than x, that is true, correct? 6 greater than 5,
Yes, sir.
9 greater than y, that is also true. Now run the program. You should see both the conditions are true,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So if you change y greater than x instead of 1 you put x value 15, x value 15. Run the program. That means one of them is not correct. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Change it back to 5 again, and change it to y to 16. Now in this case second one is not correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you make x also 15. Now both the statements are one statement is correct, right? So if you look at one
Yes,
statement will
sir.
be correct in this case. So that means you will get again the same output, right? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So if you wanted to make everything false, right? Y greater than x also you wanted to make it false. So in that case you put 150, x value 150, okay? And z value is you can put z value as 160. If you put 160 again it will be y will be high, right?
It's already in
Hmm.
the false condition only, sir.
Correct.
9
Then
greater than
fine.
16, not
Yeah,
true.
correct. Both of them are not true now. Now run the program. It will also say both the statements are, or one of the statement is not true. So are you clear with the logical AND operator?
Yes, sir.
Now change it to pipe symbol there. Instead of AND, you comment this and write one more statement.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So if you change one statement as true, so here both the statements are false, then it will be false. If at all you make one of the statement is true. So let's say y greater than x, 6 greater than 5 is true, and 9 greater than 6 is also true. That means it will print true. Correct? Run the program. Run the program, and then automatically both the conditions are true. So now if you make one of the statement is false, x15, make it as x15, x15. That means first statement is wrong, but still it will print only both the conditions are true statement only, right?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Here, pipe symbol means at least one should be true.
Correct. So you will get confused when you make the statement as both conditions are true. So change it to logical or is working fine. One of the statement is true. You can write one of the statement is true. One of the one of logical operator, one of the statement is true. Okay. That means if one statement is true, then it will come inside. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So with this, we are good with logical and logical or also, and similarly, you need to write not operator. Not operator means if at all you are taking one example, just comment this one. Take one more example. If x greater than y, if x greater than y, if x greater than y, right? Write the system.out.println statement. System.out system.out.println statement. Yeah, x is greater than y. Else, write one more. X is not greater than y. Okay. So now if you run this program, what will happen? It will print in the proper manner, correct?
Yes, sir.
Run the program.
X is greater than y.
Okay. If you change x value or y value to some other value which is greater than x, now run the program. It will say x is not greater than y, correct?
Yes, sir.
But if you keep in front of if x greater than y, if you put exclamation symbol in front of if, give one more bracket, give a bracket, exclamation, yeah, close the bracket. Now run the program. Run the program. Don't change any value. See,
X is
x
greater
is
than y.
greater than y. But what exactly it is supposed to print? X is not greater than y, it is supposed to print. When you use exclamation symbol, it will give you the reverse value of it. For example, if you say true, it will say false when you use exclamation. If you say greater than, it says not greater than. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Did you understand all the examples related to if conditions? We have seen nested if condition, and we have seen couple of examples, and we have also seen how do you use logical and, logical or, and not operator. Got it?
Yes, sir.